Adventure. Today, BIBO is going to his dad's workplace. His dad works on a submarine. Can I record this on your phone, Dad? BIBO asks excitedly. Dad agrees. Soon, they are deep down in the ocean. They see huge stingrays flapping their sides like wings. They see sea turtles moving peacefully through the water. They see colorful fish swimming among the corals. Then, out of nowhere, a shark glides silently past the submarine. It's looking right at me, BIBO gasps. Back at school sometime later, the teacher asks the class, "What did you do in your vacations?" Of course, nobody believes BIBO's tales of sharks and submarines. That is why he brought his dad's phone for all to see.